डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के ट्रांसलेशन के लिए मेरा इंग्लिश क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को दबा लें। कई दिनों से मैं यही सुन रहा हूँ। I have been hearing this for many days. I have been hearing this for many days. तुम भी कुछ खरीद लो। You should also buy something. You should also buy something. यह तो बस शुरुआत है। It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning. Just यानी बस और beginning यानी शुरुआत। जीवन का दूसरा नाम ही अनिश्चितता है। Another name of life is uncertainty. Another name of life is uncertainty. यह सब मुझे जबरदस्ती खरीदना पड़ा। I was forced to buy all this. I was forced to buy all this. इस समय यहाँ से जाना ही ठीक रहेगा। It would be better to leave from here at this time. It would be better to leave from here at this time. Leave यानी जाना। जीवन की कई घटनाएं हमें झकझोर देती हैं। Many events in life shake us. Many events in life shake us. Shake यानी झकझोर देना, हिला देना। उसे बरसात से बहुत डर लगता है। He is very scared of rain. He is very scared of rain. हमें उसके लिए उस चीज़ का बंदोबस्त करना होगा। We will have to arrange that thing for him. We will have to arrange that thing for him. लगता है कुछ गड़बड़ है। आखिर यह सब है क्या? It seems something is wrong. What is this after all? It seems something is wrong. What is this after all? तुम भी अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखा करो। You should also take care of your health. You should also take care of your health. शादी जीवन में सिर्फ एक बार होती है। Marriage happens only once in life. Marriage happens only once in life. क्या तुम मेरी जीवन साथी बनना चाहोगी? Would you like to be my life partner? Would you like to be my life partner? अब क्या हुआ? सब ठीक तो है ना? Now what happened? Everything is all right, right? Now what happened? Everything is all right, right? मेरी चिंता करने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Thank you very much for worrying about me. Thank you very much for worrying about me. तुम कहीं जा रही हो क्या? Are you going somewhere? Are you going somewhere? Somewhere यानी कहीं। आज के बाद मैं उसे कभी रोने नहीं दूंगा। From today onwards, I will never let her cry. From today onwards, I will never let her cry. मेरी गाड़ी के टायर घिस गए हैं। Tires of my car have worn out. The tires of my car have worn out. घिसना यानी worn out. उसने मेरे ऑफर को अस्वीकार कर दिया। He turned down my offer. He turned down my offer. अस्वीकार यानी turn down. लगता है नेटवर्क कमज़ोर है. It seems that the network is weak. It seems that the network is weak. उसने भी तो मना किया था. He had also refused. He had also refused. वे खाने के लिए एक जगह ढूंढ रहे हैं. They are looking for a place to eat. They are looking for a place to eat. मैंने आपसे पहले वादा किया था. I have promised you before. I have promised you before. एक मैं हूँ जो रोज आपसे बात करता हूँ. I am the one who talks to you every day. I am the one who talks to you every day. उसे अकेले रहना ही अच्छा लगने लगा है. He has started liking being alone. He has started liking being alone. वह इस बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहती. She doesn't want to talk about it. She doesn't want to talk about it. हमें अब वफादार नौकर चाहिए. We need a loyal servant now. We need a loyal servant now. मुझ पर रौब मत जमाओ. Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me. उसकी सलाह किसी आफत से कम नहीं. Her advice is nothing short of disaster. Her advice is nothing short of disaster. उसे अभी ऑफिस में होना चाहिए. He should be in the office now. He should be in the office now. क्यों न हम कहीं बाहर घूमने चलें? Why don't we go out somewhere? Why don't we go out somewhere? आपको कड़ी मेहनत करनी चाहिए. You should work hard. You should work hard. मैं यहाँ खड़े नहीं रह सकता हूँ. I can't stand here. I can't stand here. जीवन की कई पहेलियाँ अनसुलझी रह जाती हैं. Many riddles of life remains unsolved. Many riddles of life remains unsolved. आज कितना शांत माहौल है. How calm is the atmosphere today? How calm is the atmosphere today? कुछ देर पहले मैंने अपनी टिकट खरीदी थी. I have bought my ticket a while ago. I have bought my ticket a while ago. मैं अपने डिब्बे की तरफ बढ़ा. I moved towards my compartment. I moved towards my compartment. कभी-कभी हम एक साथ खाना खाते हैं. Sometimes we eat food together. Sometimes we eat food together. किसी तरह से उसने मुझे गांव जाने के लिए मना लिया. Somehow she convinced me to go to my village. Somehow she convinced me to go to my village. My village यानी मेरा गांव. क्या आपको सारा सच पता है? Do you know the whole truth? Do you know the whole truth? होल ट्रूथ यानी सारा सच। घंटी कौन बजा रहा है? Who is ringing the bell? Who is ringing the bell?